After trolling lines for the better part of our journey, we finally get a double strike on both our rod and our handline.
I'm gonna put a couple rolls in the jib.
Okay. Sir.
They're not very big, but big enough for us.
Oh yeah.
I think this is the bull. Don't stick the hook. Don't stick the hook. Coming up over.
Woohoo! What a beautiful fish. What is that one?
They're both Mahi.
Both Mahi.
Both Mahi.
We got a double strike here.
Yeah.
2 fish on board. Day 10 of our passage. Good job, baby.
Okay. We can't claim it was either of us because it was a double hookup. It's not the easiest on it. I feel like there's enough stuff here that it would kind of prevent it from going.
Because it's so big. That's how much fish we got. Fish for days, fried fish, sushi, curry with fish. We're super excited.
Take a seat. Here's our tear. I mean, here's one of our many tears. But this is the one that I'm actually concerned about right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it would tear to here unless it just decided to keep going. So we're gonna sail tape this up. Waiting for it to kind of dry a little bit more. But yeah, that got a little sporty.
Yeah, half of the sail was in the water.
Yeah, which is not a good place to be on a 48-foot boat with one person doing the work.
Yeah.
So yeah, we were good, but then we hit a beam reach, and the wind just lifted up the sail and brought it over the lifelines. And then I was kind of like, shit. We have some bottom paint on the sail. It kind of got underneath the boom, underneath the bow a little bit.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, it was. We were what you call shrimping, is what is the sailing term for it. When your sail hits the water, first of all, it weighs 5 times more,
right, because
it's wet, and then 2, you're dragging it. So you're working against the weight of the water, and you're working against the, the weight of the sail.
No, yeah, you did a great job bringing it up. I would have come, but
I don't know. I've done it. I've done it
no,
before.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I've done it before, but I've never done it with a sail this big by myself. But I mean, it's your boat. If you can't sail your boat by yourself, then your boat's too big. You're gonna run the halyard up, okay? As I'm feeding it into the slot. And then, into the wind, power it up, and then we'll fall off the wind, barring any unforeseen complications, which hopefully we don't have any.
Is it dry yet?
I don't know if the tape's gonna hold.
We should probably let it dry for a while.
Yeah, I really only want to do this one time.
Right.
So, I prefer not to do this twice.
Okay, we'll come back in a couple of minutes.
Yeah. I cut the UV strip out down here. So, rolling in, looking shabby, baby.
Shabby, shabby.
Shabby's the new chic. Shabby boat. But how far out are we? 780 miles? 700, over 700. Not over 8 though, right?
We're under 8.
We're under 8, we're over 7.
We were at 800 this morning.
Yeah, so we're over 7.
I think that's about 250 it was 250 miles to a quarter of the way.
Quarter of the way left, yeah. Yeah, we're getting along. We're making downwind progress. I mean, honestly, we could stow this on deck, tie it up, and raise up the main, but we kind of like the jib sailing, so we're gonna go back to the jib sailing.
Yeah, let's try it.
Hey-o! All right. Cool. That's from a dead squid.
Oh, nice.
Most of them are from dead squids. I gotta come up here and scrub them up before they stain the deck all up. Yeah, if it didn't hit the water, this would have been a quick repair. I mean, if it wants to tear, this sill tape ain't gonna stop shit. But it might prolong it a little ways.
Well, we hope so.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. It really helps us grow our channel. Aloha.